I'm here on campus at Archbishop Edward A. McCarthy High School, where earlier today a student suffered respiratory failure and almost died. Here's the video.
Oh no, you're unable to inhale. You have gum in your airway and you can't.
The student had gum stuck in his trachea, an organ in the respiratory system. The trachea allows air to pass through the neck and into the thorax. It starts at the larynx and runs just below the sternum, where it divides into the left and right bronchi of the lungs. With this organ blocked, air was unable to pass and travel through the lungs. The main function of the lungs, the spongy air-filled organs in the respiratory system, is the process of gas exchange called respiration or breathing. In respiration, oxygen from incoming air enters the blood, and carbon dioxide, a waste gas from the metabolism of the body, leaves the blood. Inside the lungs, the gas exchange occurs in the alveoli, another major organ in the respiratory system. These are tiny air sacs of the lungs which allow for rapid gas exchange. This is where CO2 and oxygen are moved between the lungs and the bloodstream. The student trying to speak could not produce sound. The organ in the respiratory system, called the larynx, is the hollow muscular organ that forms an air passage to the lungs and holds the vocal cords, and is responsible for making noise, like speaking. Since his airway was blocked, air couldn't pass through to make sound.
I now have medical expert Dr. Sangeeta here with us to explain what the respiratory system does and why it's important.
Thank you. The respiratory system does two very important things. It brings oxygen into our bodies, which we need for ourselves to live and function properly. It also helps us get rid of carbon dioxide. And this system also majorly affects other systems of our body, especially the heart and brain. Coronary circulation is the circulation of blood through the coronary arteries to the tissues of the heart itself, supplying it with the required nutrients and oxygen. Without oxygen, the heart would be unable to pump fresh oxygen through the body. The brain uses a large amount of oxygen. Oxygen loss can cause serious damage. When someone stops breathing, they are at risk of serious brain damage after 3 minutes, which has happened to the patient.